Let us suppose that the observer is in the northern hemisphere. I will show to you how I come up subtracting the declination to the zenith distance and have the latitude. Remember that the altitude of the elevated pole is equal to the latitude of the observer. This line is the rational horizon. Label in the left, north, and in the right, south. Interchanging this is an option. This is the observer's upper branch of meridian. Here is the observer. The point directly overhead of the observer is the zenith. The point directly beneath of the observer is the nadir. Vertical circle is a great circle of the celestial sphere, which passes through the zenith, nadir, and the celestial body, and perpendicular to the horizon. To begin, let me cover the latitude, pretending that I do not know. By theory, I knew that the location of the equinoctial is 90 degrees from the elevated pole, which is equal to the latitude of the observer. The declination is measured from the equinoctial to the celestial body. And zenith distance is measured from the zenith to the celestial body. If the observer is in the northern hemisphere, so the celestial equator is located south of zenith. So therefore, the celestial body is located here, and the zenith distance is equals to 61 degrees 5.6 minutes. And the declination is equals to 2 degrees 52.9 minutes south. 90 degrees perpendicular to the equinoctial is the elevated pole, is equals to the latitude of the observer, which is equals to 58 degrees 12.7 minutes north. I do not memorize case 1, 2, and 3. I simply understand. The formula that I derived is that latitude is equals to zenith distance subtracted by the declination. If the observer is at the southern hemisphere, the celestial body is here. Zenith distance is equals to 61 degrees 5.6 minutes. And the location of the equinoctial is here. Declination is 2 degrees 52.9 minutes south. 90 degrees perpendicular to the equinoctial is the elevated pole south, which is equals to the latitude of the observer, which is 63 degrees 58.5 minutes south. The formula derived is latitude is equals to zenith distance added by the declination.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.